Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create QR code for website. So first of all go on google.com, then search for QR code generator. Here's a lots of website give you free QR code. So I choose number 2. You can use anyone. So here is the tab, paste your website address. So I paste my own website link here. So you can see this one already created. So if you want to change it to others option, this one, okay. You can see already created QR code. Now click on download button, then just click on download. So it's already download on my mobile phone. So this is crazy, right? So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.